Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add contact form to your website in Webnode. So let's start. Like, what I actually recommend, there's a few ways how you can do it. The first way is just when you're here, just click plus, and you're gonna see it here, contact form. When you're gonna do it, I recommend also adding like contact us here and choosing it to the middle. And you can like edit every single property, email, message, and everything. So this is like the first way how we can do it. An action after submitting, that's all right, and contact email. Now, the second way, what you can do, and what I recommend doing, is that creating a page. When you go here and click pages, add a page, and now choose contact, choose yes, and right when you're here you want to click like plus, not here, here, and choose contact form. And this is where I would put it, and I would take the contact right here. And this is much better way, and then I would just edit this with a map. So this is how we can add contact form in Webnode. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.